There's this little bookstore out there. It's a good place to get books. I like books. I should do a lot of reading. There's a little bookstore out there run by a guy named Jeff. It's a real sweetheart of a deal, this bookstore. Amazon. Jeff's doing pretty well for himself. Jeff's earnings per share today came in at 40 cents. The street thought they were going to come in at $1.42, but they came in at 40 cents. That's a 78% miss. Aftermarket trading, they're up a little bit. Anyways, Amazon's revenue was $38 billion. That, I imagine, isn't a billion. 38 books. 38 books, I imagine, is what that is. That can't be 38. They sold $38 billion worth of merchandise last quarter. Nope, they did. They beat the street's estimate by $820 million. That's not bad. That's a 25% increase year over year. Jeff's little bookstore is doing pretty well for itself. What else did Jeff's bookstore do? Well, their sales growth in North America was up 27%. Their sales growth internationally was up 17%. Jeff, you're doing a bang-up job. Amazon's web services were up 42% year over year. Operating income, though, came in at $628 million, which was down from last year at this time and missed the estimates that analysts thought. They thought it was going to be about $1.1 billion, somewhere in that neighborhood, and they missed that by quite a bit, but they also missed their earnings per share by quite a bit. But I don't think this little bookstore is going to fail on us anytime soon. Operating cash flow still up 37% year over year. So Jeff's out there selling a lot of books, 38B, B for books. Selling a lot of books, Jeff is doing a really good job. And the other thing I noticed in this earnings call, while Jeff has been selling his books, is that there was no mention of any poachers taking out any endangered species, or the felling or clear cutting of any kind of tree ranges. So I imagine that whole rainforest issue is that's totally taken care of. That's not the same company. That's a forest in South America. That's not a big bookstore people were just cutting trees down at. Jeff did pretty well. I apparently need to do a little more reading.